How we doing, guys? Today on DIY Bear and Auto Group, we're gonna bedline this truck. So it's actually my grandfather's truck. You'll recognize the truck here in a little bit. But we're gonna put a rolling bedliner in it. So come with us and let's see how this goes. It shouldn't be too bad. I mean, you know, it's a DIY kit, so it shouldn't be bad. But let's see how it goes, guys. Stay tuned. We'll check in here in a little bit. Doing a little acid etching primer just to make sure we get all the bare metal spots covered up. If you're gonna do it, you might as well do it right. So getting her all ready for prep. Let her dry on this beautiful, beautiful Ohio day we're having here. So yeah, get it all dried up and then wipe her down, get her ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Alright, wiping it down with some lacquer just to kind of make sure we get anything left up. It's up, as you see some of that dirt that's still stuck down in between those ribs coming up. I'm just going to go through and spill all that. There we go. See, blooper reel. Hey, hey. It's alright. Doesn't hurt nothing. We can use it. Make sure you get in your crevices. It smells like a mosquito spray in here currently. You guys needed a 4D visual. Just get all this up here. Work my way to the back. And this is what we're doing, guys. Last step before we start applying. I think we got the Hercules brand. I don't know. It's on Amazon. Seemed to have good reviews. Seen a couple YouTube videos on it. So figure we'll give her a whirl. See how she goes. You guys have used lacquer, you'll know how cold my hand is right now. Alright, let's not knock it over anymore. Alright, stay tuned, rolling next. Alright, so here's kind of a little bit of progress here. So what I'm doing is just kind of cutting in just like you would be painting. I mean, this stuff's very malleable. It's a Hercules bedliner. Just roll on or currently paint on until I get the roller out. But it's not super, it's pretty like soupy. I don't know, it's like grippy paint is all it is. So seems pretty simple to do here. So we're just gonna keep rolling with this. I'll give you guys some updates as we go here and we'll keep progressing. Probably gonna have to do 2 coats, I would imagine. So that's what we're gonna work with here. But yep, starting coat 1 here. We'll see how this goes and we'll go from there. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, a little progress update here. Got the bed done with the first coat. So now it needs to dry. Got it kind of smoothed out enough, and then we'll go over it again. And then that should complete it. So it went on pretty easy. It doesn't look too bad. It's pretty shiny right now because it's wet. I'm hoping it kind of dulls out a little bit, but we'll see. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go, I need to go do the tailgate. We're gonna do that and then come back to this guy. All right, little progress update. It's the next day. We ended up waiting about 24 hours to let it cure. And I mean, it's solid now. So it looks good. We started to do the second coat on the back side here. As you can see, it's back pretty wet. But really, it kind of mats out a little bit. It's not nearly as glossy as I thought it was. So in pretty good shape. I'll show you guys the tailgate here. The tailgate's done. So we'll see like a final product and then we'll come back to this. Tailgate is complete. And I mean, it's thick. Like, it's thick. It's pretty, as you can see, it's pretty textured. Really textured, actually. So, yeah, the coating seemed really well. It worked out good. We flooded this one and kind of left it on pretty thick and only did 1 coat. And I think that's all we need. So, This guy's in good shape. I don't want to do any more to it. So that's done. We're going to put that second coat, or finish that second coat, I guess, on the bed, and then let her dry and hopefully put this on before the end of the day. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see a finished product here shortly. All right, here we go. Pretty much finished product. I'm going to let it dry now. Full second coat. Probably second coat plus a little bit. So we got a good bit out of that gallon can. So that worked out good on a short bed. But yeah, if you guys see, like, you can see where it kind of like didn't lay in. I probably could have did a little better with, you know, having an actual paint tray instead of being an ass and just pour it in there. But you know, hey, it works out all right. It doesn't look too bad. I think the coverage overall is really good. You'll be happy with it. We're happy with it. I think it turned out good. Bedliner is the brand. I'll throw a picture of the can in here somewhere so maybe you guys can see it. But yeah, pumps did good. It doesn't seem to run anywhere. It looks pretty good. Turned out good overall. We'll check back in here in about, I don't know, 5-6 hours. See where we're at. Probably pull it out then at that point. See what it looks like in the daylight, and put the bed tailgate back on. So yeah. All right, guys. One more step and we're done with this. Heck yeah. I'll be damned if I don't pull it outside and it starts to rain, but she's cured. We'll dig it. It looks pretty good. I like it. I think it's wet now, so I mean, it's kind of why it looks still pretty glossy, but I feel like it fits the truck a whole lot better than it did. So yeah, guys, there is the final product. I would imagine, I think I said this earlier, that you could kind of wipe it in a little bit more even. So maybe on the next go around we'll try that. But hey, overall, satisfied. Nice job. Works out good. You know, 4 or 5 hours total. Really wasn't that big of a deal. So yeah, guys, there you go. Look at that. Easy to do.